A local nurse who survived coronavirus is still in a fight for his life. As Veronica Miracle reports, Cesar Milan now needs a new set of lungs after getting coronavirus from a patient.
A fond farewell from a group of frontline workers sending off one of their own. Nurse Cesar Milan spent 85 days at Providence St. John's Health Center battling COVID-19. He barely survived after contracting it from one of his patients. The ICU nurses and doctors who cared for him say it was especially difficult for Milan as he would understand what they were saying about his condition and the severity of his illness.
I could just imagine that he was so scared. You know, he knows how deadly this virus is.
Went through just about everything anybody could possibly go through and survived.
But he hung in there. He has 2 children, he has a wife, you know, they Zoomed as much as they could. The wife came in for her birthday, we celebrated that. So we tried to bring as much happiness and joy into the room for him as we could.
He made me cry, saying, "We treated me like a brother."
And while Milan is celebrating leaving St. John's, he still has a long road ahead. Now he heads to another hospital to wait for a lung transplant. In the state of California, doctors haven't yet performed a lung transplant on a COVID-19 patient. Doctors say only a handful of people around the world have gotten the procedure.
Increasingly, these patients, especially the young ones who survived COVID, coming out of it with really tremendous damage to their lungs.
For now, Milan is just taking it one day at a time.
That was Veronica Miracle reporting. Doctors are hoping he will be considered for the national transplant wait list.